How to Pinterest board delete. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, please subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Go ahead and open up Pinterest and log into your account. Once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. So as you can see, I have this anime board, and let's say for example that I want to delete it. So all what I have to do is click and hold on the board, and as you can see it gave me these pop-up options. All what I will do right now while still holding is to move to the pen which says edit, then I will let go. It will open up this new window from which you want to look at the last section all the way down which says action. You can see the option to delete the board. Just click on it, and this pop-up window at the bottom, it's like a confirmation box which asks you, are you sure you want to delete the board? And it tells you that you won't be able to get it back. So all what you have to do is click delete in red, and as you can see the board anime was deleted. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete boards on Pinterest. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.